How do genes predispose you to both RA and osteoporosis? Imagine your genes as a set of instructions that shape how your body works. Some of these instructions can influence both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoporosis, making you more prone to both conditions. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease where your immune system mistakenly attacks your joints, causing inflammation and damage. Osteoporosis, on the other hand, weakens bones, making them more likely to break. Interestingly, research shows that certain genetic factors can increase the risk for both these health issues at the same time. Scientists have found that some genes have a shared influence on both rheumatoid arthritis and bone health. This is called genetic correlation, meaning that certain genetic variants affect both diseases. Large studies have identified specific regions in our DNA that are linked to increased susceptibility to rheumatoid arthritis and lower bone mineral density. This overlap is partly due to a phenomenon called pleiotropy, where one gene impacts multiple traits. So, a single gene can contribute to immune system problems and bone weakening simultaneously. Two genes that stand out in this connection are AXN12 and MMP14. The AXN12 gene helps regulate apoptosis, which is the process of programmed cell death. Proper regulation of cell death is vital for keeping the immune system balanced and for healthy bone remodeling. If this gene malfunctions, it can cause immune cells to attack healthy tissues, leading to joint inflammation in rheumatoid arthritis and increased bone loss seen in osteoporosis. The MMP14 gene is involved in remodeling tissues outside cells, like cartilage and bone. When MMP14 doesn't work properly, it can cause joint tissue breakdown and impair bone structure, contributing to both diseases. Inflammation plays a big role in this genetic link. Rheumatoid arthritis causes chronic inflammation, which raises levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. These markers stimulate osteoclasts, the cells responsible for breaking down bone tissue. When osteoclast activity is increased, bones become weaker, leading to osteoporosis. Genes that influence how our bodies regulate inflammation and bone resorption are key players in this process. Studies using genetic risk scores, which combine information from many genetic variants, show that people with a higher genetic risk for rheumatoid arthritis often have lower bone density and a greater chance of fractures. Research supports the idea that genes predisposing to rheumatoid arthritis can directly cause bone loss, especially in populations of European and Asian descent. This means that your genetic makeup can partly explain why osteoporosis is common among those with rheumatoid arthritis. Understanding these genetic links helps doctors better predict and manage risks. It emphasizes the importance of monitoring bone health closely in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Future treatments might target these shared genetic pathways to control inflammation and protect bones at the same time. In essence, your genes influence how your immune system functions, how inflammation is managed, and how your bones remodel. When certain genetic variants are present, they can make you more vulnerable to developing both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoporosis. Recognizing this connection encourages a comprehensive approach to treatment, focusing not just on joint health but also on maintaining strong bones. Always remember, individual experiences vary, so working with healthcare professionals is essential to tailor the best plan for your health.